right, gents, the decibel killer has now been taken out of this exhaust, which means it sounds crazy. Literally just had a mission and a half to take the decibel killer out. These new exhausts is a pain to get it out, but it's sorted now, and it sounds so much better than it did before. Oh my god, this is what it's supposed to sound like, man. This is what a bike is supposed to sound like. So we're just taking it on the first run now, just get used to it and see what it sounds like, man. This is you can actually hear the bike now, and those pops with the quick shifter are just epic. Epic is the word. Get those little pops. Let's just hear what she sounds like for a second in the flesh. God, sounds like a beast with that quick shifter as well. Sounds crazy. Low revs where it sounds epic. That's why it sounds so deep and proper. I think we need a bit of fuel after all that. Those pops, man. Whoa, that scared me. Not sure what the back pressure thing is going to be like. Ooh, what have we got here? A VXR. Dusted, mate. Oh, where's he going? That was a nice little race. When you get it right with the quick shifter, oh my god, it sounds amazing. Sometimes in the high revs, it shifts too quickly, it's just but when you get it just right, it just makes an amazing sound, man. I can't believe how big a difference this bike sounds without the decibel killer. Like I've had, like with the FZ6, that bike was loud even with the decibel killer in, and taking it out just made it a tiny bit deeper and a bit louder. But with this, literally changed the whole sound of the bike, man. It was nowhere near anything like this before. I don't know if it's coming across on camera anyway, but man, it sounds epic now. Alright, man. That's some crazy machine, man. The hell is that thing? What kind of power is this putting out?
Sorry?
What kind of power is this putting out? 180? It's probably really lightweight though, isn't it?
It's not that heavy.
Yeah.
It's quick. I just like the belt on it. The belt is not
Alright. Alright, man. See you later. Said he just got a new belt, so he's taking it easy because the last one snapped. Too many cars, man. Can't do anything. Yeah, I'm alright, man. Yeah, 600. Yeah, it's alright though, man. It's got a quick shifter on it, so it's like a DSG on the way up. You hear the pops and stuff. To front or oh, actually it's just changed. Oh my god, too quick. Yeah, Princess Road.